Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraisal order, when inspected and the inspection has been made by the appraiser and they've completed the inspection, how they will mark the inspection as completed. So, as you can see, this is a appraisal order that is in progress, and the inspection was scheduled for a specific day and time, and we have selected a time slot for it, and we have a separate video for how you can create an inspection, schedule an inspection appointment, and the inspection has been done. So basically now what we have to do is we can put an appraisal order on mark as completed, or if there is an additional trip need required, a reinspection is required. For that we can click on the reinspection, and we have to define in the amount and everything for that. So as this is the mark completed, how we can mark it complete. So I'm marking as completed. It will take me to the page that is the documents tab, and here I can upload the appraisal order. Sorry, appraisal report. But as you can see, it says that the purchase contract is required. So if a purchase contract is required, basically an lender or the private client has not uploaded a purchase contract till now, they need to upload it so that the appraiser can continue doing their task, like they have to upload the appraisal report. So for that, it is compulsory that the purchase contract should be uploaded. So we have to wait for the lender to upload the purchase contract, and then we will upload the appraisal report. Now basically the purchase contract has been uploaded, and now you can drop the file over here. So for that we have a separate video that what happens when appraisal report is uploaded and what are the different actions on that. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.